Welcome to my class. Yes, in this class, I am going to discuss the topic polymers. Already in the description, I will include the theory part of the polymer. Please see the description. Already I added two classes. One class already I discussed in 2023, important MCQ questions, and also I completed one class, theory class of a polymer. The two classes I added a link in the description. Please, after this class, please watch those videos also. Definitely it will helpful for your Karnataka TET exam. Okay. Then in this class I am going to discuss more MCQ question based on the topic polymers. Yes, I given two links also. Please see the watch the class after this class. Okay. Okay, let us move to the question. This polymer topic is very easy. Easily you can score the marks. Let us let us start the class with the first question. Which of the following is not a synthetic fiber? Here they are asking which one is not a synthetic fiber. First option is rayon, the second option is jute, third option is acrylic, fourth option is more than one of the above. Which of the following is not a synthetic fiber? Which one is not a synthetic fiber they are asking. Here the correct answer for this question is jute. Jute is not a synthetic fiber. Let us consider in detail what is meant by natural fiber and synthetic fiber. Yes, next one. What is the difference between natural fiber and synthetic fiber? Natural fiber means plant-based fiber derived from plant. Name itself is indicating natural fiber is a plant-based fiber derived from the plant, such as cotton, flax, linen, hemp, jute, bamboo, and sisal. Then animal based fibers obtained from the animal source, such as wool, silk, obtained from silkworm, mohair from Angora goats, and cashmere from goats. Then next one is mineral fiber derived from naturally occurring minerals such as asbestos. Now largely banned due to the health concern. Mineral wool. This one is now it is banned because it is causing more bad effect on the health. That's why this natural fiber is they are banned. Using of this fiber is they are government is banned. Next one is synthetic fiber. The polymer based fiber produced from synthetic polymers such as polystyrene, nylon, acrylic, polypropylene, then spandex. Synthetic fiber means it is man-made fiber. Synthetically we will made. That is polyester, nylon, acrylic. These are the few example of a synthetic fiber. Regenerated fiber manufactured from natural materials using chemical process such as rayon, model, lyocell, bamboo, rayon. See, you can, when you purchase the cloth, you can notify, they will write it is whether it is a cotton, rayon or woolen, it is made up of a woolen. They will mention the type of synthetic fiber. Okay, that is very very important. Viresh Gowda, very good afternoon. Is my voice is clear? Those who are in live, please tell me my voice is clear or not. Very easy topic, easily you can score the marks. Based on this topic, polymer, definitely they will going to ask the question, at least two question polymer. Okay, okay, clear. Thank you, Viresh. Next, let us come to the next question. Which of these is a polyamide among the following? Out of this four, which one is a polyamide? Rayon, nylon, 66, then terylene, more than one of the above. Which one is polyamide? Nylon 6 comma 6. So, nylon 6 comma 6. Yes, Shankar Gowda. Very good afternoon, everyone. I think everyone you are preparing for TET exam, and also in the beginning I told two more classes, that is polymer, two more classes, that is polymer part 1 MCQ, and also polymer theory part. Polymer theory part, both the classes link I suggested in description. Links are available in the description box. After this class, please watch those classes also. Definitely it will be helpful for you. One class is based on polymer theory, I explained in theory. Another class is polymer part 1 MCQ questions. Okay, these two classes I did in 2023 when I am conducting the class for Karnataka TET. Both the syllabus it will be same. Please go through that classes also. Then next question: the polymer containing strong intermolecular forces example hydrogen bonding is. First one is natural rubber. Second option is Teflon. Third option is nylon 6 comma 6. Fourth one is more than one of the above. The polymer containing strong intramolecular forces, that is for example hydrogen bonding. Which polymer it contains an hydrogen bonding? Nylon 66 or 6 comma 6, nylon 6 by 6, everything all it will be same. Okay, then here the nylon 66 is synthesized by polycondensation of hexamethylene, diamine and also adipic acid. Okay, how the synthesis of nylon 66 is? The process is polycondensation. This also very very important. They may ask in the exam. And also polycondensation of hexamethylene, diamine and also adipic acid. Equivalent amount of hexamethylene, diamine and adipic acid are combined with water in a reactor. How they will prepare the nylon 66? Okay, they will take an equal amount of hexamethylene, diamine and adipic acid. Both they will mixed in the water. Then this is crystallized to make nylon salt and ammonium and carboxylate mixture. Later, it will they will undergo a crystalline format. The nylon salt goes into a reaction vessel where the polymerization process takes place either in batches or continuously. This continuous process, they will not ask in the TET. They will not ask, tell me the manufacturer of nylon 66. No, they will not ask. They will ask based on only multiple choice question. But why I am given the explanation, because you have to understand. And when those who are writing for, those who are preparing for gpstr, definitely this theory part it will be helpful for you. Okay, next one. Nylon 66,6 has strong intermolecular forces like hydrogen bonding. The substantial strength of polyamide such as nylon 6,6 Kevlar result from hydrogen bonding. Here, when you are manufacturing nylon 66, it will undergo polycondensation. Then in this compound, in this synthetic fiber, you can identify a hydrogen bond between the nylon atoms. Okay, that's why the correct answer for this question is the polymer containing strong intermolecular forces. Example hydrogen bonding is nylon 6, 6. Let us move to the next question. Which of the following is not a semi-synthetic fiber? Which one is not a semi-synthetic fiber? First option cis polystropin. Second one cellulose nitrate. Third option cellulose acetate. Fourth one vulcanized rubber. Which one is not a semi-synthetic polymer? Cis cis polyisoprene. This one is not a semi-synthetic polymer. Remaining three, they will be semi-synthetic polymer. Let us discuss in detail here. Synthetic and natural polymers are two major groups of polymers. When a natural product is treated physically, chemically, it becomes a semi-synthetic. See, uh, naturally occurring polymers are natural polymers. Synthetic means man-made. When a natural product is treated physically and chemically with, then it will become a semi-synthetic. Means naturally occurring polymer is you are you are mixing with a another product. Okay, that is semi-synthetic. For making thread and film glasses, these materials are used. This semi-synthetic polymers where we will use that natural synthetic polymer only we are converting it as a semi-synthetic by physically chemically adding some different products. Okay, then in making tires, vulcanized rubber is used is an example of this. Tires and vulcanized rubber where we will use. Okay, cellulose nitrate and cellulose acetate are also example of semi-synthetic polymer. These are the example. Cellulose nitrate, cellulose acetate are the example of semi-synthetic polymer. Next one, these polymer fall in the category of semi-synthetic polymers. The water is absorbed by these polymers. Appearance and tensile strength are also modified. Even see natural polymer is having different types of appearance and tensile strength, but semi-synthetic polymer you are changing the appearance and also tensile strength of an polymer. Let us move to the next question. Dash was the first synthetic fiber created by humans. Dash was the first synthetic fiber created by humans. First option is polyester, second option is nylon, third option is rayon, fourth option is terracotta. Which was the first synthetic fiber created by human is nylon. Very important question you have to remember. Dash was the first synthetic fiber is nylon is the first synthetic fiber created by nylon. Let us discuss the properties and uses of nylon. Here the additional information I am giving, definitely it will helpful for you. Yes, properties of nylon, it is very strong and also elastic. Nylon fibers having high toughness, abrasion resistance, easy to wash. Then what is the use of the nylon? Clothing, shirts, raincoats, swimwear, for making bristles of brushes, used for making finishing nets in the automobile industry. These are the few uses of a nylon. At least go through one time. Maybe they may ask MCQ question based on that points, uses and also properties. Next. Next question. Which of the following polymer is used to make bulletproof glass? Which polymer we will use to make a bulletproof glass? First option is Cliptel. Second option is PMMA. Third one is Teflon. Fourth one is none. The correct answer for this question is PMMA. Which polymer is used to make a bulletproof glass? Bulletproof glass. Let us study in detail what is meant by PMMA. PMMA is a synthetic polymer. Okay. Its full name is polymethyl methacrylate. Maybe in the exam they may ask what is the full form of PMMA. Polymethyl methacrylate. Important one. Okay, remember. It is rigid and transparent. It is hard. Rigid means hard, and also it is a transparent polymer. It is used as a substitute for a glass in products such as shutterproof windows, skylights, illuminated signs, and aircraft canopies. These are the few important use of PMMA. Let us move to the next question. Next one. One of the characteristic of a polymer. Identify one of the characteristic of a polymer out of four options. First option, high temperature stability. Second option, high mechanical strength. Third option, high elongation. Fourth one, low hardness. Out of four, which one is the characteristic of a polymer? The correct answer is high elongation. Yes, that is the good characteristic of a polymer, because we can use polymer because of that property only. We will use different types of polymer because of high elongation. Next, the non-metal used in the vulcanization of rubber. First option is phosphorus, second option is sulfur, third option is graphite, fourth option is iodine. Which non-metal we will use in the vulcanization of rubber? That is, the correct answer is sulfur. Yes, the non-metal used in the vulcanization of rubber is sulfur. What is meant by vulcanization of rubber? It is a process that improves the elasticity of rubber. It will improve, it will gives the good quality of an elasticity of a rubber, and also it will improve the strength of the rubber by heating in the presence of an sulfur. They may ask, you have to know what is meant by vulcanization of rubber. It is a process that improves the elasticity of rubber, and also it will gives more strength of a rubber by heating in the presence of sulfur. Then the chemical process that converts natural rubber material of a variety of elasticity, hardness, mechanical durability by heating is known as sulfur vulcanization. Here, when you are vulcanization of rubber, we will use sulfur to increase the elasticity, hardness, and mechanical durability by heating the polymer in presence of sulfur. That one particularly we will consider as a sulfur vulcanization. Vulcanization of rubber was invented in the year 1839 by an American chemist, Charles Goodyear. Okay, important one, remember. Yes, next question. Those who are there in live, please watch please see in description. I added 2 extra classes based on the topic polymer. After the class, please go through the description box. I given the link. Please watch that classes also. One is theory part of polymer. Another one is one more class. I discuss the multiple choice questions of polymer. Okay. Next, which of the following polymer is thermosetting polymer? Which polymer we will use as a thermosetting polymer? Yes, the options are terylene, option second polystyrene, option 3 bakelite, option 4 neoprene. Which one is a thermosetting polymer? Bakelite. What is meant by thermosetting polymer? It will not allow the heat to pass through it. Means it will resist, otherwise it will avoid the flow of heat. Bakelite. Where we'll use the bakelite? Let us study in detail. The thermosetting polymer is a polymer that can be irreversibly hardened to the desired shape. It is hardened by the process of curing of a soft, solid, or viscous liquid, prepolymer, or resin. That is the preparation they are given. Read and curing is induced by heat or suitable radiation, may be pro- promoted by high pressure and mixing with a catalyst. How the process of backlight it will happen, I given the process. This all information it will be helpful for gpstr, but for tt read one time and go. Once hardened, a thermoset cannot be melt for reshaping. Some example of polysetting polymer are polyurethanes, polyurea, then bakelite, urea, formaldehyde, etc. Backlight, where we will use normally in our daily life, everyone we will use the cooker or non-sticky pans, everything we will use. The handle is made up of a thermosetting polymer, that is backlight. The cooker handle, the non-sticky handle, it is made up of a black color. When you touch the handle also, you will not feel the heat. Okay, that is made up of a backlight. Here how manufacture, here I included. Read one time and go. Next, I given the different type of polymer, what is the uses, their property. Based on this also they may ask the question. Terylene is a synthetic polyester fiber. It is mainly used in fashion fabric bags. It is also known as Dacron. They may ask this one. It is produced by polymerizing ethylene glycol terephthalic acid. Next one, polyester. It is also a synthetic aromatic hydrocarbon polymer made from monomer known as styrene. They may ask, polyester is made up of which type of monomer? Tell me the name. They will give 4 different options. One, they will include this one. That's why. Okay. It can be used in multiple sectors such as food packing, refrigerator, etc. Where we will use the polystyrene? It can be used in multiple sectors such as food packing and also refrigeration we will use. Thermocol is a kind of polystyrene. What we will use the thermocol, thermoflask. It is made up of a polystyrene. Polystyrene can be a solid or it may be formed. Yes, already we studied in backlight. It is formed from condensation reaction of phenol with formaldehyde. It is used in electrical insulators, radio, telephone casing, such as diverse products such as kitchenware, jewelry, pipe steams, children's toys, and firearms. Here, this is the main use of backlight. Neoprene. It is also known as polychloroprene. Okay, it is a family of synthetic rubber that are produced by polymerization of chloroprene. This is the monomer we are using in neoprene. It is widely used in manufacturing product that has medical and sports supports. We will use the neoprene. Neoprene exhibits good chemical stability, maintains flexibility over a wide range of temperature range. Even though if you increase the temperature up to a wide range, this neoprene it will maintains chemical stability and it will be more flexible. That is also very important. Next, which type of rubber ebonite is which type of rubber ebonite? First option natural rubber, second option synthetic rubber, third one is highly vulcanized rubber, fourth one is none. The correct answer is this rubber ebonite, it is a highly vulcanized rubber. Means highly vulcanized rubber means that ebonite is heated in presence of maybe some other catalyst, then it will increase the strength and flexibility stability of a particular rubber. Vulcanized meaning is that one only. Okay, yes, ebonite, it is a type of hard rubber. It is invented by Goodyear company. Then it is obtained by vulcanizing natural rubber for prolonged periods. When you are heating this ebonite rubber with a high temperature, we will use 25 to 30 percentage of sulfur. Very, very important one. Then you can, when you heat in the presence of sulfur, the ebonite rubber, the stability it will increases, elasticity increases, the strength of the rubber also it will be increases. Next, which one of the following is a natural polymer? Very easy question. First option is bakelite, second option is silk, third option is Kevlar, fourth one is laxine. Which one is a natural polymer? Silk. Let us study in detail about silk. Silk is a natural polymer. Natural polymer occur in nature, can be extracted. From the nature, we will get the polymer. Example of naturally occurring polymer is silk, wool, DNA, cellulose, proteins, rubber. Remember, natural polymer have been widely used in variety of biomedical applications such as pharmaceuticals, tissue regeneration, scaffold, drug delivery agents, and also imaging agents. Mainly pharmaceutical companies, they will use the natural occurring polymers. In wound care, they are used as dressing for acute or chronic wounds. Yes, and also as regeneration templates also we will use a natural polymer. Which of the following is the strongest natural fiber? Which one is the strongest natural fiber? First option is cotton, second option is jute, third one is silk, fourth one is wool. Yes, silk is the strongest natural fiber. Next, which of the following is a synthetic fiber? Easy question. First option cotton, second one rayon, third one is jute, fourth one is silk. Rayon is a synthetic fiber. Yes, Devaki, correct. What is Teflon? Out of 4, what is the formula of a Teflon? Option 1, C2F4N. That is the formula of a Teflon. Remember. What is meant by Teflon? Teflon is a synthetic material that gets used to cover the surface of some objects and transmit non-stick properties to it is called Teflon. Teflon we will use to cover some object, then it will gives a non-sticky appearance. You can observe in your home also non-sticky tawa, pan, everything is there. If you put the oil, it will not stick easily, it will float on this non-sticky. That layer of the object, it is made up of a Teflon. It has high melting point. Even though you can observe the non-sticky, it will be coated, it will be black color. Even if you heat with a high temperature also, it will sustain. It has a high melting point. It does not react with other substance easily. Someone they will tell scientifically this is not 100% true. Some scientists, some research it will tell using of non-sticky materials it will gives some bad effect on your health. But nowadays no, everyone we will use, but it is like a long term effect. I don't know how it will affect definitely, but everyone we will use that. That also true. Next, it has non-stick qualities that are reason used in many pots, frying pans and other culinary items. Yes, Teflon is a fluorocarbon. The chemical formula is C2F4N. Last question. The non-metal used in the vulcanization of rubber is, the question is repeated, that is sulfur. Yes, thank you everyone. Thanks for listening my class, and thanks for your support. Everyone, you are watching, continuously watching my videos. And this polymer, already two links I provided in description. One link is based on Polymer MCQ class. Second link, it will be Polymer theory class. Polymer theory class. Please go through that classes. Definitely it will helpful for you. Okay, thank you Devaki. See, and also if I am free now, the construction is stopped. That's why I'm taking the classes now. Already one more class is ready, that is electricity, physics, electricity and electric circuit. Okay, give me 10 or 15 minutes time. If the construction, if they not started, because they will make a very heavy sound. Those who are live also, you can't concentrate properly. That's why I'm, when they will stop only I am taking the classes. I will see. Okay, one more class today I will take based on the topic electricity and electric circuit. Okay, thank you everyone. Thanks for listening my class. And also, if you like my videos, put the like, click the like button. Please subscribe to my channel and share my videos to your friends, those they are preparing for the government exams, government teachers exam. Okay, thank you everyone. Thanks for